Here you are today, YouTube. This is part 2 of the T-Mobile Galaxy S8 Imei repair. So we're going to run it back through Swappa now. Voila. You can see now it's been clean and cleared. T-Mobile Galaxy S8. It's the same one that we had in part 1 right there. But you're gonna go back to T-Mobile's Imei, check status, which it's the same Imei. We just copied and pasted it right there. Which is the same one, in which you can also jump back and forth and pause the video to check, and then hit submit. It's validating. Somehow kind of jumped off a little bit. I hate these captures. Voila. Finally, congratulations, your device is ready for use. Part 2, which we do apologize for that little hassle right there. But tune in, subscribe, thank you for watching. Galaxy S8 and above. Imei unblocking, Imei repair. Tune in, subscribe, thank you for watching.